If the aircraft does not have electrical power, it's referred to as cold and dark. There are various times an aircraft may not be powered, such as before the first flight of the day, after being towed from a maintenance hangar, or when no external power is available. The first step is to turn on the battery switch by the action of closing the guard. This provides power to the hot battery bus. Next, we check the standby power switch is guarded. We also check that the alternate flap switch is guarded. Now we check both the left and right wipers are set to the park position. Next, we check both the number 1 and number 2 electric hydraulic pump switches are set to the off position. We then glance down and check the gear lever is in the down position and 3 green lights are illuminated, and the red lights are extinguished. In this tutorial, ground power has been connected to the right side of the aircraft. We can now move the switch to the on position. This connects ground power to the AC transfer buses. The source off lights, transfer bus off lights, and standby power off light should all be extinguished. We will now view the electrical power up procedure from the captain's perspective. We turn the battery switch on and ensure it's guarded. We check the standby power switch and alternate flap switches are also guarded. We check the wipers are in the park position. Both electrical hydraulic pumps number 1 and 2 are set to off. And the gear is down with green, no red lights illuminated. We then turn on the ground power and check the source off and transfer bus lights are extinguished, as well as the standby power off light. We will now view the electrical power up procedure from the first officer's perspective. We turn the battery switch on and ensure it's guarded. We check the standby power switch and alternate flap switches are also guarded. We check the wipers are in the park position. Both electrical hydraulic pumps number 1 and 2 are set to off. And the gear is down with green, no red lights illuminated. We then turn on the ground power and check the source off and transfer bus lights are extinguished, as well as the standby power off light. We have completed the electrical power up procedure when using ground power, and viewed the procedure from both the captain and first officer's perspective. Please subscribe to learn more about operating the 737.